What is going on, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, we are back, guys. We are back. All right. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, make sure you go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, peruse around the page, and see what we got going on. All right, I'm back. I wanted to come back today with a, don't want to call it a program necessarily, but how about a playbook, a blueprint playbook, right? That you can actually, you can promote this a la carte, right? It pays $100 instant commissions, no pass-ups, no one-ups, 100% commissions. This is just not another thing for me. If you've been following me, you notice I have been promoting the same opportunities pretty much for a while, okay? Because I don't really need a new digital marketing program. All right. However, what intrigued me with this actually came across my desk a couple months back, and I intended to grab it, but it's a blueprint playbook. Okay. With it, again, you can promote it a la carte, right? And make $100 commissions. Of course, you get master resale rights to it. But why I grabbed it is because I can pair it up, if you will, use it as a playbook to excel and assist me with my other digital programs. All right. Now, so the program has been around, or the blueprint has been around for a year. Right here, if you come to www.coffeeandcoins.info, come to this page right here. You see right here where it says, yes, I want $100 payments. Just either click that image there or click this phone, right? Make $100 payments with your phone. It's a step-by-step instructional guide, complete with done-for-you resources, swipe files, and templates to help you take action and get paid daily. It's instant pay. You can receive your payments via Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, debit card, credit card, even crypto, okay? Now, let's talk about this real quick. Where did this guide come from? All right. This guide came from one of the top, I like to say, top digital marketers out here. When I came online 2012-ish, she was already out here online doing her thing. Steph Perez created she created this guide, joined her in another program, and I think that's what she said inspired her. But that program, we woke up one day and it was just gone, right? The owners, it just was gone. So anyway, she created this guide. She's 16 years in the game, all right? So that's the other reason why I wanted to grab this, because I know, first of all, we're getting it from a real, genuine person that really wants to help folks, and it's a real product, okay? Not some old rehashed PLR that's just thrown out here. You know, anybody can really make up a program and throw some old PLR digital products in there that is so outdated. You know, no step by step, not a real person behind it, right? So that's what made me grab it. And again, I am using it as a resource, again, that can assist me with my other digital programs. And like I mentioned, a real program, okay? Real guide with all these resources in it. So with that being said, I want you to check out this little short video. Again, you can check this out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Just come here and click this link. But check this out real quick and I'll be back. All right, so here we go. Let's check this out.
If you like instant cash payments, look no further. With everything that's going on right now in the job market and the economy, chances are, if you landed on this page, you're looking to generate extra cash online. And if so, I'd like to ask you this question. Would getting paid $100 over and over again every single day help you out? If so, then you're in the right place. Let me explain what this simple website can do for you when you become a member today. When you become a member, you'll get immediate access to our robust 31-page money-making blueprint, which provides instructions and a roadmap to help you with getting set up for six-figure online business success. It's packed with money-making strategies and daily action steps, plus over 2,000 downloadable swipe files, templates, and resources to help you create an actionable daily marketing and traffic plan to follow, designed to get you paid daily. The game plan is simple. Become a member today and learn directly from the blueprint. Apply what you learn to your business and then make money by sharing this powerful blueprint through this very automated system with others to cash in daily. And listen, don't worry if you don't have the technical skills to know how to do this. Your membership also entitles you to a reseller license that allows you to resell this entire automated package, which means $100 over and over again paid directly to you. People can pay with Cash App, Google Pay, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, and even Stripe using their debit card or credit card. You simply decide which ways you'd like to get paid. And the best thing is there's no technical skills needed to get set up. When you get started today, you get your very own automated reseller website that you're looking at right now. Powerful. There's no missing steps or hard systems to learn, and nothing to install, and nothing to download or set up. You simply fill in some blanks, click the button, and then get your own personal link that you can begin sharing to get paid instantly. So what are you waiting for? To get access, all you need to do is pay whoever invited you here $100 one time to get access to the platform and this amazing blueprint, and then a one-time $10 admin fee for hosting and system promotional updates. Both of these one-time payments guarantee you lifetime access to this amazing daily cash guide, learn and earn system. With these simple steps, you can get started today. Step 1. Send your payment via any option below. Step 2. After you pay $100, send an email to the admin with proof of your payment. Step 3. Your $100 gets you instant access to this invite-only platform. Step 4. Pay the one-time admin fee of $10 and start making sales. It's really that simple. Go ahead and get started today so you too can enjoy $100 payments paid directly to you, over and over again. That's right, I said. Over and over again, instantly and direct to you. Check out all the details below. Send the payment to your inviter, and you now can receive those $100 payments over and over again. Starting today, take action.
There you have it, guys. So it's going to be $100 to your inviter and a whole $10 to the admin, right? They're going to create your affiliate page just like. So did I also mention with this training, or this blueprint, if you will, aka playbook, the owner is offering a 2-hour training workshop. It's included in there, rather. Not offering, it's included with this playbook, okay? So some additional 2-hour training you're going to get with this. $100 instant commissions, all right? So let's recap real quick. So you get a blueprint, step-by-step instructional guide, complete with done-for-you resources, swipe files, guys, swipe files. These are like templates, email templates you can use to help you take action and get daily pay. You're going to also get the resale license to be able to resell this blueprint over and over. Your purchase entitles you to the reseller license that allows you to resell the package. You're going to also be able to receive instant commissions direct to you, various ways, however you want to receive them. It can be Cash App, Bitcoin, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, okay, directly to you, all right? So a robust blueprint to help you get paid daily, 2,000 downloadable swipe file, copy files, templates, and resources to help you market, advertise, all right, get traffic and get paid, all right, from a 16-year plus top affiliate that's been out here for years and years, all right. And so she created this playbook so we know who the person is, who's behind it, and you don't have to worry about this disappearing. All right, so resell the entire package for $100 instant payments, direct to you, zero tech skills. Now, the other thing that I like about this too, guys, which you would love, especially for my non-tech people, you don't have to worry about setting up funnels here. Once you make your purchase, you're going to send 100, right, to the person that invited you. You're going to pay $10 to the admin, and then the company there's going to be a page that you're just going to simply fill out a couple fields, like with your payment specifications. That's it, and they're going to create you a page just like this, right? So you get this page. Now the bonus is what I was talking about, where our team bonus, where you're going to get access to 20 different capture pages. Okay, 20 different capture pages and the email series to go with it. But this particular system right here, you don't have to worry about creating funnels and all that. You're going to get this page instantly. It's going to be very simple, just to plug in your information, name, email, your payment method, boom, and your page will be created by the company. Okay, so check it out. As you can see, you can throw your picture in there. It's pretty cool. All right, so there you have it. If you're ready to get started and get access to this daily guide, go ahead to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info, which is this page right here, and you see it says I want $100 payments. Come to this page, scroll down, click on this or this little phone right here, and it'll take you over to the capture page where you can put in your information, your email rather, and go ahead and get your system today. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. All right, and don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.